I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. It's just absolutely so beautiful out here. I feel like I've been saying this all the time. What a beautiful summer we've been having. We had some really hot weather a week ago or so, but this weather is just stunning. The dragonflies are all over the place in my pond, flying around, doing all their stuff. It's so awesome, so beautiful. But today I wanted to address a situation or a question that we get quite a bit, and I haven't addressed it yet, and I think it's a really important question to answer. And that question is, why is my fish or koi hanging out by itself with its fins clamped and doing nothing, not swimming with my other fish? This is something that we see sometimes, and you as pond hobbyists and koi keepers are unfortunately going to see during your time as a koi keeping hobbyist. You're going to go outside, your fish are going to be hanging out, swimming around, and all of a sudden you're going to see one hanging out by itself in the corner, away from everybody. He's going to be just sitting there, not moving and not doing anything. But why is this fish doing this? This fish is doing this because there's something wrong with it. It's not feeling well, it's sick, something is going on. Kind of like us. When we get sick, we want to just lie in bed, we don't want to be bothered, and we don't want to be with other people. We just want to kind of hang out by ourselves and get better. That's pretty much what this fish is doing. However, we do need to help him. Just like when we're sick, we do like a little bit of help. Some people help us get better, bring us drinks, bring us some food if we can eat it, so that we can get better. And we need to do the same thing for our fish. But it's very difficult for me to tell you exactly what to do without asking a ton of questions. So if you do see this happening, there is something going on, there's something happening, and you need to figure out what is going on. So go to your local garden center that carries fish that you buy fish from. Ask them if they have any recommendations. Give us a call. Give your pond expert a call that helps you with your pond on a frequent basis. And they should be able to help you, or at least guide you in the right direction as to what to do to help that fish. There are also some great resources. I'll put the links in the information section below. Check those out. Those can really help you as well. The first thing that you really want to do, though, is check your water quality to make sure your ammonia and your nitrites aren't high. And the next thing I would recommend doing is try to get your fish some good food to eat. If the fish is eating, it's very important that you get them some good, high quality food so that they get the nutrients that they need, because we unfortunately don't have our medicated food anymore that we can feed them. A great food is Probiotics Plus by Blue Ridge Fish Hatchery. I've been feeding my fish that food. It's been great. But it's the next best thing, and it's the only thing we have that even comes close to medicated food. So that's this week's Weekly Ribbit. I hope this helps you out. So if you have a fish that's hanging out by himself, fins are clamped, not moving, just hanging out there, get some help so you can find out what's going on with it. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I Saw My Pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please make sure you click the link below that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Have a great week, everyone, and thanks a lot for listening.